Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of PostGrid Builder plugin tutorial series. In this episode, I'll show you how to display custom field data into PostGrid. So under the layouts, you will see the customize layouts tab. Under the layout editor, you will see the elements, the post meta, so you can drop into the layout preview and you will see the post meta. So once you select the element post meta, you will see the options for the post meta. So we are using the advanced custom field plugin, so ACF. You see we have created a group of fields. So let's try with the text field, and here is the post. You will see the post metadata. So we have input some dummy post metadata. So we are going to use this input field or custom field data into our PostGrid builder. So once you are the layout editor, so you select the post meta and you need to input the meta key, and output type you choose the based on your field type. You need to set the display string, like we are display only text. Here is the dummy data. You can see for the preview purpose, or you will see the dummy data in your layout grid preview. So also there is the options based on this selection, output selection. You will see the custom field source. You can select the ACF. We will add more third-party plugin for the integrations. Currently we are working on the ACF. And you can enable or disable shortcodes. So if your custom text contain any shortcodes, it will convert to execute the shortcode. So let's try save the PostGrid, and let's copy the shortcode and create a page. Paste the shortcode and publish the page. So let's try visit the page on the front end. You see the post or custom field data from ACF is displaying fine. So you can also add some prefix text. So let's try go to the editor and under the layouts editor, post meta, and you can also set some prefix text or postfix text. Also you can target styling for the styling prefix or postfix and the metadata. So let's try save the PostGrid and try refresh the page, and you see the prefix and postfix. Obviously you can apply CSS for the post meta wrapper, like display flags, so you can display all prefix, metadata and postfix in the same line, and you see everything is in the same line. So you can add the gaps or style, add a style as you want. So this way you can display string to number, attachment to ID to image, string to link, string to date time, array loop. So we will add more advanced feature for the ACF and any other custom field plugin. So I hope you love this. Thank you so much.